On the occasion of the International Yoga Day, here is a list of 14 asanas that everyone must add to their daily routine for a blissful and peaceful life. Today, we celebrate the 6th International Yoga Day. It was proposed by the current Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, in 2014. I take inspiration from Baba Ramdev in doing yoga. We will start by doing the Surya Namaskar or the sun salutations. They are a combination of 12 asanas. These are the quintessential yoga warm-up sequence. They stretch the entire front and back of the body and they build strength too. They are a good cardiovascular source of exercise, increases energy circulation, lengthens and tones your muscles. 12 asanas consists of one set. 2 sets completes one Surya Namaskar. You must do at least 6 rounds of Surya Namaskar daily. Next we do Shirshasana. Interlock your fingers and bring your head beneath them while making a V with your arms. Slowly bring your legs close to your body. Now gently lift them up one by one. Now hold in this position for at least 2 minutes. You must do forward bending as it's counterpose exercise or Savasana too. Next we have Trikonasana. It is a very good asana for beginners and experts too. It has numerous benefits. Helps relieve stress, improves digestion, stretches and strengthens the thighs, knees and ankles. You have to perform it with both sides. Next we have Paschimottanasana. Sit straight and upright with your legs straight. Now while inhaling, stretch your body upwards. Now try to hold your toes and slowly touch your head onto your knees as well. Hold for a few seconds. Next we will do Ardha Pavanmukta Asana. It is a wind releasing pose that helps in relieving indigestion. This asana stretches the back and neck. Next we will do Pavanmukta Asana. It is also the wind relieving pose. The only difference is that here both legs will be folded instead of only one. It strengthens the back muscles and tones the muscles of the arms and the legs. Makadasana is the next asana. Lie on your back. Now bring your both legs close to the hips with your arms parallel to the ground. Now move your neck to right side while your legs to the other side. In this pose, hold for a few seconds and then repeat the same with the other side too. Next we have Bhujangasana. Lie on your stomach. Now bring your hands close to your chest. Now gently lift your back with the help of your arms. Stay for a few seconds. Next we have cat pose. It is a very good asana for your back. Sit in a cat pose. As you exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling, and while you inhale, come back to the natural position. Repeat this exercise at least 5 times. The next we have Gomukh Asana. It is a very good asana for your flexibility. This asana is also known as the cow face pose. It stretches your hips, provides power to your ankles, thighs, shoulders, armpits, and chest. Hold for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. The next we will do Sarvangasana. It calms the brain, helps relieve stress, mild depression, improves digestion, tones your legs and buttocks. It prevents hair fall too. Hold for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Chakrasana is our next asana. It is great for improving your flexibility of your back. And it is also beneficial for the heart, stimulates the pituitary and the thyroid glands too. Try to hold for at least a few seconds and then relax. Forward bending is must as it's counterposed in this asana. Warrior pose 1 is our next asana. It is good asana for improving your balancing skills. It stretches the chest, lungs, shoulders, neck, belly, groins and ankles. Try to hold for a few seconds and then relax. Next we will do warrior pose 3. It is also a good asana for balancing your body. Your entire body weight lies on one leg while the other leg and arms parallel to the ground. Try to hold for a few seconds and then relax. Now we will do Om chanting. Sit comfortably in Padmasana, straighten up your body and start chanting Om. Repeat at least 5 times. It is a sacred sound and a spiritual symbol in Indian religions. It signifies the essence of the ultimate reality. So we have Anulom Vilom. It is excellent for respiratory issues like asthma and allergies. It builds up stamina in the lungs and removes toxins from the body. It also helps in relieving headaches. Now we will relax by lying down in Shavasana, also known as the corpse pose.